Hello kids, welcome to another fun lesson. Today, we're going to learn how to use we and they in sentences. It's super easy, so let's start. We is used when we talk about ourselves and others together. Let's look at some examples. Look at these doctors and patients. We are doctors. Great job. Here are students in the classroom. We are students. Well done. Look at the people at work. We are employees. Fantastic. Here are some players on the field. We are players. Excellent. Finally, see these friends. We are friends. Amazing. They is used when we talk about other people or groups. Let's see some examples. Look at the patients. They are patients. Great now. Look at the teachers in the classroom. They are our teachers. Wonderful. Here are some bosses at work. They are our boss. Excellent. Look at the coaches on the field. They are coaches. Fantastic. Finally, see these boys. They are boys. Well done. That's all for today, kids. Now you know how to use we and they in sentences. Keep practicing with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. See you next time. Bye-bye.